How to remove the Renault Megane 4 door panel. We will start off by removing the inner door mirror cover with a plastic tool. Always use plastic. You do not want to use a flat metal screwdriver as you can damage the paint on the inside. And then once you remove this inner door mirror cover, there will be a torque screw underneath, I believe which was T20. Where the door open handle is a little cover, and you'll need to remove this cover, and underneath there will be a torque screw which I believe was a T30. This one over there. Go ahead and remove the torque screw. Next we'll be removing the window switch. On the sides there are little clips, and you want to make sure you pull it up and out from those sides, from the clip sections especially. All that's left to do with the window switch is to unplug by pressing onto that section over there and then pulling the switch off. To the bottom of the door panel there is one torque screw, and then next where the door pull handle is, there is a cover, and on the cover to the bottom section there is a little opening which you can get into with a little hook like tool, and you'll need to pull this cover off. It's only held on by clips on the inside, and underneath there will be two torque screws. You want to be gentle while doing any of this so you don't damage the trims or the door panel itself. Go ahead and remove both of these torque screws. Now what's left is door panel is held on the inside by clips that run all along, and these can break when you're taking it off, even using a clip remover. Now using clip remover tools that are plastic, I like to get in between the door and the door panel itself. You can, once you open this space, you can put your fingers through, and you want to pull the bottom out first with quite a bit of force. If you have a clip remover tool, it makes things much easier. And then give it a pull. And it's come off. You want to pull it out from the bottom and the sides first, and you'll need to slide it upwards to detach it from the window seal. And when you're putting it back, it slots down first into the window seal. So lift it upwards from both sides, and then we'll need to disconnect the speaker, and we will need to disconnect the door open handle cable. On that side there are little clips that hold it in place. Now I just want to show you a tip. These clips are the ones that hold the door panel in place, and they can break. As you can see, they've broke quite a few of them, and you want to make sure that these are on the door panel and not on the door itself. So if there's any left on the door, get these and put them on the door panel. And with a clip remover, even this one broke, as you can see, so keep that in mind, and then put it onto the door panel. And this is how you remove the door panel from a Renault Megane 4.
Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and if you do want to support the channel more, you can always send a super thanks by clicking onto the button underneath the video. Any amount, even the bare minimum, is much appreciated.